Hi Hannah, thanks for sending your question to Snapmath. So we need to solve this trinomial, and the first thing we need to do is bring this 5 over to the left side so we can set the trinomial equal to 0. So our new equation will be 6z squared plus 13z minus 5 equals 0. So now we're going to factor, and I use this snowflake method. So I draw a little snowflake here, and then I put my a value here, so it'll be 6z and 6z. And then up on the top will be the a value, which is 6, times the c value, which is -5. So this will be a -30. And the bottom value will be 13, which is the b value. So now we need to figure out the factors of a -30 that will add up to 13. Well, it will be 15 and a -2. And just to check that, 15 times -2 will give me -30. And then 15 minus 2 gives me 13. So now we have the right factors, and now we need to reduce. And I can reduce the 6 and the 15 by 3. So then that will be 2z and 5. So now this right here, our first binomial will be 2z plus 5. And then we can reduce this by 2. So this will be 3z and -1. And we write 3z minus 1, and that equals 0. The next step is we need to set each binomial equal to 0. So we have 2z plus 5 equals 0, and 3z minus 1 equals 0, and we solve each one. So we subtract 5 on each side, and then divide by 2, and that will give us -5 over 2. So that's our first answer. Our next one is we add 1 to each side. 3z equals 1, and then we divide by 3. Z will equal 1/3. And those are our two answers. Thanks for sending your question to StatMath, and have a great night.